As you see, I have two laptops. One is compact. It's not working. I put it on safe mode on startup. See, watch. Trying to see if somebody help me on starting my laptop up. And go back to blue screen. Everybody sit there.